The Transcriptions API takes an audio file as input and returns a text output. We open our audio file here. Let's call this API for transcribing our audio file. Here we are calling the create endpoint on the Audio Transcriptions API. Here we use an appropriate transcription model. We pass our audio file here. The results are returned and saved here. Let's print out the results. We can use the translations endpoint to translate an audio file to English text. Here's our translations endpoint. We must use the Whisper 1 model for this task. Here is our German audio file.